Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear perfectly. And thank you so much for joining me in this meeting. I just right now woke up and it's time now, 4 o'clock. It's 9. Where are you from now?
I'm from Yemen.
Okay. And at first, we shortly introduce about ourselves. And could you do this is me from Sheikh and Helen Akhtar Khan. She is my teammate and also we work together.
She told me to, you guys are going to do
Yes.
SEO optimization on my channel for 1 week.
Yes, I already know it. And we are digital marketing agency and a specialist. You do video SEO service.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Just look our experience about this service, and we attend many Zoom meeting about in this service, and we completed many projects.
Okay.
Just you look, we completed another biometric. This is YouTube video SEO project, and some scroll down, and we completed another biometric, and some you scroll down after you get another biometric, also another. Okay. So I hope you understand something about us. Okay, brother, just a one moment. I will visit your YouTube channel and I will say what problem about your YouTube and YouTube videos here.
It's already explained on the email. Like, all I need to know is what you guys will be implementing on the channel to make it better. Because right now I don't have a lot of time for the Zoom meeting. I thought it would be quick.
Okay,
So
yeah.
I just want to know if we can start with this 1 week trial for the SEO optimization on these videos.
Okay, understand. And we will do perfectly videos. It's first, and I hope you get your perfect result because when we completed YouTube videos, then your video rank on YouTube top, and after you get better result, inshallah. So right now you want to we will do trial video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and after you check about our services, and finally you give your budget, right?
Can we start with the 1 week trial, as she mentioned on the email?
Okay, just wait a moment. I will listen him. আপনি কি ট্রায়াল করবেন?
Yes ভাইয়া, একটা ভিডিও 1 week ট্রায়াল মানে ভিডিও এসইও করে দেব।
Okay, sir, it's final. At first, you are checking about us and checking about our services. So we will do first time YouTube video SEO for trial. After you looked our videos result and when you like our services, after you give your project of Helnectar Hannah.
So 1 week free trial?
Sure.
Okay, can we start?
One video.
Yes, just one video. She said me she will do one video SEO for 1 week.
One video with SEO optimization and everything. She'll make one video and add optimization, or just SEO?
Yes.
So just SEO, or SEO and one video?
Yes, she will do one video SEO.
One video and SEO.
Yes.
Okay, we can start today.
Yes, we can start it.
All right, thank you.
When she completed your first trial and you like the project, the services, and after we will again do a meeting, and after you selected how much I give of him.
Okay, all right, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. And bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.